Yeah. So I'll show you this one, and then because then you'll start to see what a card deck is about. So this was for a client who takes to help authors write their book and publish it. And so she created this card deck so that they can play their way to writing a book. Say they haven't worked with her yet, or even if they are working with her, they can kind of keep a systematic kind of flow of it. And these cards just are really, they're really packed with information that if you took, and they're numbered. So if you took from number 1 all the way to the end, you will have a really good version of a manuscript ready to go for your
How many cards are in that deck?
49 or 50.
Okay.
So
and the name of the card deck is what?
It's Bertha Book Card Deck.
Bertha Book Card Deck.
Yeah, and it's just really jam packed with, like I say, golden nuggets, which is a card deck. So that you could just literally write your book every day. You can just keep going. Do one thing every day if because sometimes things that stop us are like we don't have enough time. So this is like perfect.